Ever wonder why your phone seems to get you? Like how it knows to suggest a cozy sweater when it's chilly out, or a playlist that matches your mood. That's the power of smart recommendations, and a new breakthrough in AI is making them even better. Let's talk about TAIRA, a system that's redefining how AI understands human intent. Traditional recommendation tools. They're like guesswork. They look at your past behavior and say, you liked action movies, so here's another one. But TAI RA. It's like having a super smart assistant who deciphers your requests with precision. Want a hiking trail? It'll tell you not just which one, but when to go, based on trail conditions, crowd levels, and even if it's a good day for a picnic. Here's the challenge. When people ask for things in a messy, unclear way, even the smartest AI can get stuck. Imagine this, you ask, find me something stylish for a weekend getaway. The system needs to figure out if you want a chic suitcase, a cozy sweater, or maybe a camera for those scenic shots. Traditional AI. It's like a chef following a recipe, good for clear instructions but clueless if you say, make something delicious but also healthy and quick. That's where TAI RA steps in. TAIRA isn't just another AI, it's a system that thinks like a human. Instead of relying on strict rules, it uses a process called thought pattern distillation to learn from past interactions. Think of it as a team of specialists. One breaks down your request, another plans the best way to tackle it, and a third learns from mistakes to improve. It's like having a personal assistant that gets smarter with every conversation. Let's say you're shopping for a gift and say, I need something unique for my sister's birthday. TAI RA doesn't just spit out random ideas. It first unpacks the intent. Is unique about rarity, personalization, or something else. Then it plans subtasks, maybe researching trends, checking budgets, or considering her hobbies. If it hits a snag like not finding the right product, it reflects, adjusts, and tries again. This thinking process is what makes TAI RA so effective. The results? TAI RA outperforms existing systems, especially on tough tasks. In tests, it handled complex queries with over 60% fewer errors than previous methods. But here's the kicker, it doesn't just memorize solutions, it adapts. Whether you're asking for a cozy sweater for a hiking trip, or a modern couch that fits a small apartment, TAI RA learns from each interaction, getting smarter with every conversation. So how does it actually work? TAI RA's secret sauce is its ability to simulate human reasoning. When you ask a question, it doesn't just search for keywords. Instead, it breaks your request into smaller steps, like a detective piecing together clues. For example, if you say, I need something that matches my jeans, TAI RA might ask, are you looking for a casual outfit, a formal look, or something else? It's not just guessing, it's conversing. Think of TAI RA as a student in a classroom. If it gets a question wrong, a teacher or human expert steps in to correct it. Over time, those corrections become part of its knowledge base, helping it handle similar questions faster. This is called thought pattern distillation, turning real-world experiences into mental shortcuts that guide future decisions. Let's say you ask, find me a gift for a tech-savvy friend who loves hiking. The system doesn't just search for products. It first identifies key factors. Tech savviness implies gadgets, hiking implies durability. It might then cross-reference trends, budget constraints, and even seasonal availability. If it suggests a smartwatch, it'll explain why it's ideal, like GPS tracking for trails or weather alerts. This layered analysis is what sets TAI RA apart. And the results? Studies show systems like TAI RA boost user satisfaction by 20%, especially for tricky requests. Think of it like a friend who doesn't just recommend a restaurant, but checks the menu, reviews, and even if the place is too loud for a date. It's that extra layer of thoughtfulness. The future of recommendations isn't just about data, it's about dialogue. These systems are learning to understand why you want something, not just what. So next time your phone suggests something spot on, remember, it's not magic. It's AI getting smarter step by step to make your life a little easier. Thanks for watching, stay curious, and let's keep exploring the world of AI together.